We are going to get stylish with styles in Word. I'm working with 2016. Almost everything I'm doing will work with previous versions. A style is an easy way to format. If I click in here, we've got that over here. It goes this. I had the heading 1 going throughout here. It's a tiger report, and you can see these little blue things here. And we're going to show a few things to customize, make it even better. What I can do here, I've got that style there. I can modify a style. I right click inside it. I go into modify. And what I'm going to do, it's going to say heading 1. Let's leave that alone for now. I want to change the color. I'm going to make it, let's say, a nice orange to match the tigers. I want to change the font. It's Cambria here. I can make it Arial. It is bold. And if I want to make it a little larger, I make it 16 point. Let's say I want to add underline. And then what it does here, it says only in this document. You can do it on this template here for all new documents in the normal thing that we have here. So I say OK. The great thing is it has done it throughout. Okay. Now let's say you want to change it again. You can modify the style again. It shows it up here. Right click inside here. Modify. I want the color to be a little bit different, like that darker color. I say OK, and it's changed instantly. Let's say you want to do other styles in here too, like you're doing a list of things in here. For example, we could just go in here. I'll type in a couple little things here. I'll just type in some countries here. Doesn't mean that's accurate. India, Africa, and let's just say that's a continent actually. I'll say Kenya, Congo, and another country such as South Africa. And I want to do a bullet. I want to do an orange bullet here. I could go into this line here, do a nice bullet. I could click on the square here. And then let's say I want this even with the margin here. I could right click inside here. And I'm just going to go into the bullet. So I'm back in here. I click on the bullet here. I'm going to change define new bullet. I want it to be orange. I click on font. And we have a color here. It is a nice, it'll match everything else. I say, okay. Okay. And for some reason it didn't show up orange. Let's just do this one more time here. I'm going to define new bullet. I'm going to go into, I have the square here, font. I did the underline color. Automatic, font color. Pay attention when you're doing this. And I say, okay. I say, okay. It is orange. Now, what I want to do here, I've got the bullet in here. I'm just going to zoom this up a little bit so you could see better. I have that nice orange bullet indented here. I want to create a new style. And to do this, I go up into here, launch it, and it says new style down here. It's based on what I have already done with the hanging indent, and I'm just going to call it bullet. Now if I watch this, I highlight these 3 lines here. I click on bullet. I have the bullet created. So what's really nice, I go down to the bottom here, and let's say I want to do another report or add additional information. So I will talk about zoos, and then I could type in San Diego, Bronx, Houston, and then let's say there's a zoo in Chicago. I highlight these 4 things here, and then I click on the bullet. I want to apply that style heading 1 there, so I've got everything done. You can delete a style if you want to. If I were to right click in here, it would just remove it. Okay? But what I do here, you have down in here the style manager, manage styles. And if I don't want a certain style, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here or up, bullet. I could delete it here. If I were to delete it, I could be in trouble with the document. Do you really want to delete this here? I say, okay, okay, it's gone. Okay, I lost the bullets. I'm going to do the undo. Next thing I want to talk about, I want to put a table of contents. When you're using certain styles, like heading 1, heading 2 here, I want to do a table of contents. I'm going to put the paragraph marker on. I'm going to put Control Enter to do a new page. And if I want to do a table of contents, I go into References. I want to do a table of contents. By using these styles here, I could do this one here. I'm going to click on Manual Table here. And that's not what I want. I'm going to undo. Table of Contents. I'm going to go into Custom Table of Contents. Or I could do one of the automatic ones here. It's saying heading 1, heading 2 over here. I'm going to click in here. It has it there. I want to close this out. So you've got the table of contents for this report. Next thing I want to do, and I want to show you this, I'm going to go into View. I'm going to go into Outline. If I click on the plus here, I can collapse these things here. It's showing things here in the contents here, but if I want to collapse these things here, I double click on the pluses. It hides, doesn't hide, but yes it does. All it does, and I'm just collapsing all of them. Double click on this one here. But let's say I want zoos to be up here. I click on the plus. I put it there. Just drag it right up. Now, what it is here, I'm going to close out of the outline view. And what it is here, it's showing the zoos on the second page here. However, you need to update the table of contents. You right click inside here. You left click on Update Field. And then you say Entire Table. And you're going to see zoos move up. So it's editing things here. It doesn't show it while you're still writing it. When you do print it, it will rearrange things. So you'll find out using these styles is a great way of working with a very lengthy document where you have captions and you want to do instant formatting.